How to reset home screen layout to default on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then click on Apps and Notifications in here. After you click on Apps and Notifications, you will find this kind of screen. Click on See All Apps. After that, you will find all your apps. In here, click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Then search System Launcher. In my place, it's OnePlus, so I'm going to search OnePlus Launcher. It may be different on your device, but at the last, it will be Launcher. Click on it and click on Storage and Cache. After that, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage at the top. After you do this, simply go back and your home screen layout will be reset. This is how to reset home screen layout to default on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.